Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Combining CSV Files in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Combining multiple CSV, separated values, files into a single file is a common task in data processing and analysis. Python provides a straightforward and efficient way to achieve this using various libraries. In this tutorial, we will explore how to combine CSV files using the pandas library, which is widely used for data manipulation and analysis. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. If not, you can download it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Additionally, install the pandas library using the following command. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Open your preferred code editor or IDE and create a new Python script. Start by importing the pandas library, which we will use to handle CSV files. Step 2. Define a function to combine CSV files. Next, define a function that takes a list of CSV file paths as input and combines them into a single CSV file. Step 3. Use the function to combine CSV files. Now, you can use the combine_CSV_files function by providing a list of CSV file paths to combine and specifying the output file. Replace file1.csv, file2.csv, file3.csv with the paths of your CSV files and combined_file.csv with the desired output file name. Conclusion. Combining CSV files in Python is a straightforward task, and the pandas library simplifies the process with its powerful data manipulation capabilities. This tutorial has provided a step-by-step guide and a sample code snippet to help you combine multiple CSV files into a single file efficiently. Feel free to customize the code based on your specific requirements and file structures. ChatGPT